not sure what to wear this spring, I have got you covered, my friend. I have some hot blouses for you, tops, and some really great shoes. These are all pieces that are going to transition very nicely into the spring. If you are new here, I am 41 years young and I have 4 children ages 5 through now 12. For reference, I am 5'7" and purchased everything in a size small. If you're watching from your TV or your iPad, you can go ahead and scan the QR code on screen. It will take you to everything in this video. In fact, I'm going to link the entire spring fashion playlist down below in that description box so that you can see everything, as well as the master list so that you can see all of the pictures and pricing next to everything that I show you here today. I really encourage you to use that master list rather than having to click back and forth between YouTube and Amazon. You get the point. Let's dive in. This sheer red bodysuit, so gorgeous. Power red. This is a square neck. I also love that it's a bodysuit. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's perfect for a date night. You can even wear this to the office depending upon your office setting. And what's nice about a bodysuit, you don't necessarily have to clip it if you don't want to. Sometimes I don't and it stays put just fine, but if you want to clip it, you certainly can. This color, just so beautiful. In fact, almost all the pieces that I show you here today do come in several color options, and I will show you several variations. Pair this with one of your favorite pieces of jewelry, a nice pair of earrings, put on a kitten heel, and you are all set for a really gorgeous and effortless date night. Another red, like fire engine red. This is also a great day to night transition look depending upon what you pair this with. You could pair this with jeans like I'm showing you here. I love the eyelet lace detail here on the sleeve. Also gorgeous button detail down the front. You can tuck this in, you could one tuck it, you completely leave it undone. This would pair perfectly with dress pants, a skirt, make it casual, make it elevated, your choice. This hot pink little number here, or oftentimes in the Amazon listings, it's called Rose. This is not a bodysuit. I love the V-neck details, so depending upon your chest size, you could really, put the girls on display should you want to. Now, I definitely am not able to that. I am like completely flat-chested after having 4 children and well, just being quite on the thin side, if you will. So for all of you ladies that are well endowed, I definitely can appreciate that. I also love the beautiful detail here on the sleeves, little polka dots, which are also very fun. This next top I love so much. I bought it in 2 different colors. Here it is in the black version. The reason I love this top is because one, well, it's a high-end look for less. It looks fantastic in almost any frame, and you can really dress it up or dress it down depending upon what you have going on throughout the day. Pair it with some slacks or dress pants and you're set for the office, conferences, or any sort of business meetings that you might have. But if you want to take it up another notch, all you have to do is change out your bottoms. You could wear a skirt with this. You could wear a nice pair of jeans with this, put a nice kitten heel. Ooh, a block heel would also look really beautiful. Some nice gold jewelry. I love this look. Here it is in the beige sort of apricot color. I can't decide which one I like best. Let me know. Do you like the black version of this top or this one right here? It also adjusts in the back, so if you wanted to cinch it at the waist a little bit more, you certainly can. I love that option. And can we just talk about these gold buttons? Such high quality, and the material on this feels so good, so solid. Yellow is so hot, and I'm still loving a good butter yellow. This top, amazing. I love all the shoulder details on this. We're seeing a lot of this spring. I'm going to show you several options here. This fits so nice. One of the top searches right now on the Like to Know It app, which I'm on there at Andrea Jean Co. I recently started that. I want to say like maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago, and I just love being on that app because, well, there's just so many options. But anyway, one of the top search things on that app are warm weather spring wear. So I believe that this top gives you all of those. It is fun and flowy and girly and very spring color, but also the long sleeves that are a tad bit thicker than the sheer ones that I previously showed you fit the bill. This flower one, in the pink color, flowers are very hot right now, and off the shoulder detail, this fits so nicely. It has these sheer sleeves here. You could again transition this from the day to night look depending upon if you put a blazer over this, if you're going to the office to cover up, the one shoulder detail. But again, everybody's office attire can be slightly different and depending what you have going on that day, but also maybe you work from home and you are on conference meetings and you have more liberty. Maybe you're an entrepreneur such as like myself, so you can really decide what you want to wear, but want to look nice and put together. This is awesome. This fits so nice. It hugs all the right places. It is not a bodysuit, but it also tucks in very nicely. Polka dots, I am seeing them everywhere. In fact, I swear I just had a dream. Where did I see that? No, No! Okay, here's what it is. It's this polka dot v-neck dress that is very, very hot and trending. Well, I get this info from behind the scenes of all the different platforms that I search on, but I found this beautiful polka dot top off the shoulder, which we're seeing a ton of. This is also a bodysuit. Great day to night transition look. Sheer sleeves, so it's cool enough, and just excellent quality here. This would look perfect with red, white, black. In fact, I think this would look stunning with a really nice white pair of pants. This next top, loved it so much, got it in 2 different colors. We're seeing a lot of pink. This is sort of the fuchsia, hot pink genre, if you will. And this one here is more of a strawberry milkshake, sort of salmon pink. Another great day to night transition look. Also, if you're just schlepping kids around, running errands, meeting with teachers, having coffee with a friend, perusing the aisles of Target, a self-care day, the possibilities are endless. I love the eyelet detail. Very romantic knit tops we're seeing a ton of here this spring, and you already know that if you watch the playlist here on the hottest spring fashion. I love the cut on this also, and the button down detail, so you could really showcase some of your favorite jewelry should you want to. And because these tops are just so beautiful, all you need are some basics and you're ready to go. This tank right here has to be one of my favorites. I don't know, I have a couple more coming up that I'm going to show you that I also love. Look at these gorgeous ruffles. I know I cannot remember offhand if this comes in several color options. I need to go back to the listing because I want to put one more in my cart, but you could leave this completely open, but you could also tuck it in. So versatile. This would look excellent with a satin skirt. You could even do some faux leather, which we're seeing a ton of in the spring. I know, faux leather or real leather depending upon what you have, but just the neckline on here. It also has some buttons here on the back. Perfect for a date night, perfect for the office, everyday errands. If it gets a little bit chillier, you could put a blazer over this or a cardigan. Classic black and white. You can never go wrong, especially when it comes to this gorgeous button down. The material on this feels so nice and lightweight, but it takes it up a notch because it has these gorgeous ruffle cuffs and the button down detail. Again, I love a good button down because you can make it really casual, but you can also elevate it if you tuck it in, you put a belt with it, maybe you half tuck it. White pants, black pants, jeans, anything really goes with this color combination. This is one of those classics in your closet that you're going to wear on repeat. I mean, you could completely open this up and just wear a white tank top underneath, put this over top, and because of the gorgeous little ruffle cuffs here, you just have that little extra girly feminine touch, which I love. This next top you're going to see a ton of because I've been seeing it viral on Instagram. In fact, someone that I've been taking a course from and follow, it's a business related course, she just is killing it. Like, she has almost $1 billion business, but she wore this top in one of the trainings that I recently did, and I'm like, I have got to find that. I do not know if she got it on Amazon, but this one looks almost identical. I love it here in this sky blue, icy blue color. It looks so beautiful. This is a bodysuit. It has sort of this ruching here along the front and the back, so it can help cover any areas you maybe not want on display, if you know what I mean. The mock neck detail also just stunning, gorgeous, really elevates a top. Great for business, but also great for a date night or even running errands. I mean, you could put this on with a pair of jeans and white sneakers and you are ready to do all the things that you need to do, but still looking super cute and fabulous. Another polka dot top. Look at all the ruffles on this one. So pretty. I also love the buttons. There's black and gold buttons. They really put a lot of great detail into this top. This is very comfortable. I feel very elevated and elegant when I wear this top. You could button it all the way up like I'm showing you here, but you could also button it down, leave it open, pair it with a white pant, black pant, or even jeans, kitten heel, ballet flat. I mean, I think a ballet flat would look really stunning with this polka dot top. A classic white button down, but this one has lace type eyelet detail. It kind of looks like lace, but it is eyelet. Again, you can button it all the way up. You can button it all the way down. Great structure and form on this top. You could leave it all the way open should you want to do that. I can never have enough white tops in my wardrobe because it's just a great thing to have, throw and go. You don't have to think about color combinations. It always looks very fresh, very elevated, very chic. And I love this neckline. Here's that bodysuit again, but this is sort of a darker blue color. So the woman that I'm taking the course from, she also wore this on a different training in this color and another color I'm going to show you. I'm pretty sure she had to get this on Amazon because I found all of the colors. So great to know an almost billionaire still shopping on Amazon. Yes. Same details as the last light blue bodysuit that I just showed you. Mock neck detail, looking fabulous in this. Checkered pink. Nothing speaks spring more to me than yellow and pink and pastel colors. You could keep this top completely casual. It is nice and lightweight. In fact, I did purchase this top in the winter/fall in a gray color and also a blue color. Loved it so much. Ruffle detail here on the neckline down towards the front. Also also here on the sleeve as well. So you can leave the sleeves completely undone, or you could roll them up should you want to. Put a white t-shirt underneath, leave it open, airy, free. Nice pair of white sneakers, a ballet flap, but you could also dress this up for a date night depending upon where you're going and the vibe that you are going with. This vest right here, high-end look for less, such amazing quality. This is by the brand Pretty Garden. I purchased so many of their pieces because endless color possibilities, rarely ever a high sellout risk. Also, the pieces just are excellent quality. Love the buttons here. This goes with anything. You can really elevate this or dress it down, wear it to the office, wear it on a date night. I love this paired with a nice pair of jeans or maybe a black ankle pant and a really cute heel. Have a nice purse, some banging jewelry. Gorgeous. This top here is so understated, yet all at the same time so chic and so elevated, and looks way more expensive than it actually is. This beautiful purple blouse that I'm about to show you, I don't have really much in this purple color here, so I wanted to give this one a try. I love the tie front detail, very effortless, very flowy. Pair it with jeans. You could also pair it with some white pants if you wanted to wear this to church or a brunch or out for coffee. You could even do a date night look with this depending what you pair it with. When it's a date night look, I like to put a little heel on or maybe a wedge of some sort, even a ballet flat depending upon where your date night is, and then really change it up with the jewelry and your accessories. This gorgeous royal blue cardigan, short sleeve cardigan. The quality and material on this feels so good. This is by, again, the brand Pretty Garden. This is not sponsored, by Pretty Garden. The button details on the front, you could leave this completely buttoned up. I love this with shorts, with blue jeans, even with dress pants. A great day to night look. That's what I love about almost all of these pieces, because they're going to carry with you wherever you're going, whatever you need to do during the day. If you're super busy and you don't have time to change out of outfits, you just need something that's going to work with you wherever you're going. This would also look really great with a ballet flat. I love that idea. This brown bodysuit, very similar to the red one that I showed you at the beginning of this video with the square neck detail. We have the sheer sleeves. This fits so nicely, not too tight, not too loose. Has a little bit of ruching here in the tummy area, so you have some give depending upon things, but leave this completely without any jewelry. It's a statement piece in and of itself. This chocolate brown is still very popular and I'm here for it. Bodysuit slash tank top that I am going to be living in this spring and summer. I love it so much. I got it in 2 different colors. It just fits so nice. I love the girly ruffled detail. There is a little hook here in the back, so it comes just a little bit higher on the neckline. The reason I'm going to be living in this because, again, great for meetings, great for a lunch, great for a date night. I can wear this with jeans and a white pair of sneakers, like 4th of July, but I love red all year round. This bodysuit in sort of this plum purple color. The women I follow and taking course from also wore it in this color, and I was like, okay, I don't know which one I like best. Let me know which color option. Was it the light blue, the dark blue, or the purple that you prefer? Here's this tank top slash bodysuit in the white and the blue. Now, if I'm remembering correctly, I think this comes in a lot of different color options. So cute. You can wear it with a tennis skirt, a pair of jeans, a pair of capris. So versatile. I guarantee if you were to wear this top, you're gonna get compliments from somebody and they're gonna say, where did you get that? And I had to bring this cardigan to you because you can never have enough cardigans when it comes to spring and even into summer, because it gets cooler in the evenings or in the mornings or in air conditionings and in restaurants. Love this beautiful, I'm gonna call this a sage green color, the great gold button details. And again, this is by the brand Pretty Garden. Oh my gosh, Pretty Garden is really outdoing themselves here. The rib detail all along this, the quality of the material feels so good. Definitely a high-end look for less. Great for the office, great for a baseball game, great for running errands, but also excellent for a date night. You could put a little lace cami underneath this, a nice pair of pants, even a skirt, a faux leather skirt. I mean, really a lot of play when it comes to this gorgeous cardigan. Let's move into some wearable spring shoes. These Reeboks are so popular. I mean, they have been popular forever, but I feel like they're hotter than ever. I love this white and pink detail. It's kind of a, I guess it's a white, maybe more of a stone color, very comfortable, a little bit of platform on here, but you can really wear these with anything. I talk about white sneakers all the time because they look great with so many different spring outfits and options that I've shown for you. They're very versatile, very comfortable. If you're walking, you're doing stuff with kids, you just want the support, but you still want to look cute. These Reebok, we'll call them leopard shoes. These are a little bit more lightweight than the ones that I just showed you. You can really wear these with anything. Great quality of detail. style. I absolutely love these. And they just feel so soft and comfortable. I mean, these paired with that red ruffle tank top that I showed you would look so nice. Like even some of the dressier tops with a really cute pair of sneakers such as this. Excellent. These Nortip, I think that's how you say it, tennis shoes. I've been seeing these viral all over Instagram from people who have millions of followers and like hundreds upon hundreds of thousands of views on their reels, but these shoes are hotter than ever. They feel almost identical and look almost identical to the Hoka tennis shoes, but for a fraction of the cost. They are so nice and lightweight and literally feel like clouds on your feet. These next tennies, this taupe color, very, very hot, but also very classic all at the same time. This is by the brand Project Cloud. I love their tennis shoes because they have so many different color variations. They fit so nice. They are true to size. So maybe you want to change up your white sneaker for this taupe color. That is such an excellent option. And if you're someone that has kids or nieces and nephews and grandkids, I don't know, like my kids are always stepping on my feet, especially in the summer when I'm wearing sandals, I feel like, but those white shoes tend to get dirty. We were just in Costco the other day and I had on some lighter colored shoes. And again, my boys are like stepping on my feet, walking around. I'm like, oh my gosh, my shoes are all white. They were white, but now they're not as white anymore. Thankfully, I have a lot of cleaning hacks up my sleeve, but a color like this can really hide a lot more. Another pair of Reeboks. I swear this is my last pair of Reeboks that I'm sharing with you. Also a very nice lightweight option. White pair of sneakers, but some versatility here. We have light blue here. These also wash up very nicely, very comfortable, great walking shoe, great everyday shoe. I have a pair of New Balance tennies that are very similar to this that fit very nicely, but these Reeboks, like right up there with those. Another very viral shoe that I've been seeing on Instagram that I'm absolutely loving. I've been seeing this on people from all different ages, from 20 to 50 to 60, because they just look that cute. Sort of this eyelet lace detail, and I love the ribbon lace. The color is wonderful because again, it's gonna hide more things than the white tennis shoe. Very comfortable by the brand Cushionaire. I purchased so many different pairs of their shoes, from dress shoes to tennis shoes to sandals, and they never disappoint. I'm a huge fan of New Balance tennies, and I thought, well, let's just add another variety to my closet, shall we? Here in this sort of dreamsicle orange color with the gray and the white and sort of it's kind of a khaki color. I had to kind of hold it up in the light to really see. I'm never disappointed when it comes to a great pair of New Balance tennies. In fact, I have a pair of gray and light bluer ones that I showed you that was similar to the Reebok that I have had probably for 5 years, and they just still look incredible, and I wear them so often, especially for travel or in the summer and the spring, and I just need to quickly put on a pair of shoes. I mean, I walk a ton in them. They just hold up so nicely. But here's another variation for you, and orange is such a hot color this spring, so I wanted to bring you something with a little touch of that orange. Maybe you don't want to wear an all-out orange top or something bright colored in that genre, but you can add it here in something simple like an accessory or on your shoes. Only 2 more shoe options, and this time I'm bringing you some sandals. These ones right here, these mesh ballet flats. The structure on this is so nice. These are so comfortable. There's a tiny little heel here. I hate ballet flats when you can just like fold them in half. I'm like, what kind of support is that giving your feet? You might as well be walking around barefoot, but no, this one has great structure, so comfortable, so breathable. You can dress this up, you can dress it down, you can wear it to the office, especially with the closed toe. Again, depending upon your business attire, whether they allow open toe or they prefer closed toe, it just depends. I know a lot has changed over the years from when I was in corporate in my 20s all the way up to into my, mid 30s. This would also look so beautiful with some amazing spring dresses for Mother's Day, weddings. What else is going on in the spring? Birthdays, celebrations. In that master playlist in the description box below, I did a whole haul on spring dresses. I think I shared over 30 dresses for you, so there's going to be a dress that you're going to love in that list, so be sure to check that down below. In our last sandal, I've been seeing these viral on Instagram. They sort of remind me of a Doc Marten sandal, but for a fraction of the cost. This is by the brand Steve Madden. It's also giving me some Hermes vibes. I love this color combination because, well, it doesn't show dirt as easily. It's very comfortable to walk in. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's just an everyday great shoe that you can flip on, slip on, like kind of like a flip flop, but definitely more form, structure, and quality in them. Loving these. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Co. and also on Facebook at Andrea Jean Co. Everything's linked down below. Be sure to check out that master list and pinned in the comments section, and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.